Yeah. However, I will say that there's a word that you keep on using that I despise, and that word is should. You keep on saying, I
Oh,
should do this, I
should.
shouldn't do that. And
Yeah.
you're shoulding your pants, dude. There's
Don't
should
shit
all
on
over the
yourself.
place. Get the should out of your mouth. And the reason for that is because when you're saying should, what you're saying is I need to feel bad because. And like that's literally in this case what you're saying. I should do better. Translates directly to I need to feel bad because I didn't do better. No. Do you want to do better? You could do better if you wanted to, but like, do you need to? Otherwise, you're a bad person? I doubt it.
Well, this would, well, I'm saying I know this is a problem. Like, trust me, I know me. So I'm working on it. But the point is that this inclination I have
Uh-huh.
towards, like this, the primal sense of me, like do better, is, could be what distances myself from my friends. What
Mm,
decreases my friendship base is because, this competition that I feel with them. And if
mm.
I feel like I'm losing, then it's a competition, which I didn't really think about until just now. How that seeing someone do better, feels like a competition. It's not healthy.
Yeah, and just for the sake of pure openness and honesty, I have that too. I have struggled with that where like my friends who have done really well in life, sometimes I'm like, oh man, why aren't I doing as well as them? But I think like that humility thing of like recognizing this is a me problem and not a them problem
Yeah.
is really useful. Um, and I think you bring up an important thing too in male friendship, which is like the natural competitiveness.
Ooh,
Men are
that is interesting.
Yeah, we're naturally we'll rib each other, we'll give each other a hard time over stupid things just because it's kind of fun to do, honestly. And it's like
Uh-huh.
how you build camaraderie. Like I know you and I have not exactly built a relationship on making fun of each other, but there are moments where we'll say a little like a zing here or there, and it's never meant as anything bad, never comes across as anything bad. If anything, it feels more like a connection because like, oh, you see me.
Uh,
You see even the bad parts of me and you haven't rejected me. That's good to know.